Most people choose plants only for decoration. But what if I tell you some of the most beautiful indoor plants also have hidden health benefits? In today's video, I'll show you 5 decorative plants that just don't give a good look in your home, but are also traditionally known for their medicinal or wellness value. These plants are suitable for apartments, balconies, and indoor spaces, and some of them might already be in your home without you realizing their true value. So, welcome back to the Green Thumbs Bite, and without wasting any time, let's start. Today's plant number 1 is Insulin Plant. This plant looks simple, almost ordinary, but is one of the most searched medicinal plants online. This is commonly known as the insulin plant. Traditionally, its leaves have been used in many Indian households as a support plant for blood sugar management. What makes this plant special is that it grows easily in pot, it likes bright indirect light, and doesn't demand much care. Even if you don't use it medicinally, it works beautifully as a green filler plant for balconies. Just remember, this plant should always be used responsibly and never as a replacement for medical advice. So, let's move on the next plant. This is Ajwain or Indian Borage. This plant looks like a soft, fuzzy ornamental herb, but its leaves are extremely aromatic. This is Ajwain leaf plant and also known as Indian Borage. Don't confuse with the actual carom seed plants that is also called Ajwain. This is different. The smell of the leaves are like carom seeds, that's why this plant calls Ajwain leaf plant. In many homes, the leaves are used for cough, cold, digestion and breathing discomfort. Visually, it adds a thick, lush look to balconies and kitchen windows. It loves sunlight. It needs minimum watering. You can see these leaves are fleshy, so that can hold water, so you don't need to water this plant every day. And this plant grows very fast. This is one of those plants that looks decorative but quietly earns its place in the home. So, now moving to the plant number 3, that is lemongrass. This is lemongrass. Most people know lemongrass for tea, but is also valued for its digestive, detox and stress relief properties. So, this plant looks like a simple grass, but is far more powerful than it appears. When grown in a pot, it adds a fresh modern grass look to balconies and terraces. Lemongrass loves sunlight, needs well-draining soil, and grows fast in warm climates. Even if you never use it in the kitchen, just brushing past the leaves release a calming citrus aroma. This is one of those plants that looks decorative and makes your space feel fresh naturally. If you want to know more about this plant, I am giving link in the description box or in the I button. You can get detailed care of this plant. Now moving to the plant number 4, that is aloe vera. This aloe vera is very common, but it is often underestimated as a decorative plant. You can see very small to very large aloe veras everywhere in India. When it grows properly in a good pot, aloe can look very clean, modern and sculptural. At the same time, this gel is widely known for skin care, minor burns and hydration. There are different types of aloe veras available in the nurseries. You can pick and choose your best one. So most common aloe vera is this green one. This plant is perfect for people who forget to water plant often because aloe thrives on neglect. If you give them a big pot, they will grow bigger. If you give them small pot, they will still grow. They are simple, strong and very useful plant. So now moves to our plant number 5. It's a very common plant for everyone and a very beautiful plant, that is money plant. Today I'm telling you a very different aspect of money plant. Most people grow money plants only for decoration or maybe for vastu reasons. But did you know that money plant is also known for improving indoor air quality? Its large green leaves help reduce indoor pollutants and create a calmer environment. It's one of the easiest plants to grow in water or soil and works well in any indoor corner. Sometimes the most common plants have benefits we stop noticing. And there are plenty of money plants available which can suit your decor. There are lemon color money plant, there are marble type money plant, there are dark green jade money plant. You can name it, you can find it. So you must have money plant in your house. So plants are more than decoration. Some brings beauty, some bring calm and some quietly support our well-being. If you enjoy this kind of content, let me know in the comments which plant surprised you the most. And if you love indoor and balcony gardening, subscribe to the Green Thumbs Guide for simple, honest plant videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, till then, bye.